Folks, how are you?
Okay. Help you manage and expand your capacity is through the partnership that we have, the federal and state government, along with local governments. This issue is ongoing each year, as we have discussed. It gets worse. It affects real people. Everything from children who are breathing the smoke to parents who are up at night concerned that they may get an evacuation order at any